Can you drive a new car without insurance? If you just bought it, you can't drive your new car home until you have insurance coverage to protect both you and your vehicle. Almost all states have requirements as a minimum amount of car insurance you need. If you record without insurance, you could be fined or have your license suspended. And if you get an accident without car insurance, the legal penalties will be more severe, even if you just purchased your car 10 minutes. Key takeaway. Yes, you need to insurance before you can drive your new car. Call an insurance carrier or use a comparison and brokerage app. How soon after buying your car do you need insurance? You should have car insurance before driving off the lot. That said, there are different rules. If you have an existing insurance policy, your active car insurance policy may have a grace period that will extend its coverage to your new vehicle before you will officially added it to your policy. There may also be limitations on this grace period. Make sure you check the terms of your existing policy before driving over in your new vehicle. Let Jerry find your price in only 45 seconds. Can I get same day insurance? Yes, getting car insurance is not as complicated as it seems. In fact, it can usually be done in 24 hours. Still, it's a good idea to shop around. For car insurance, compare rates before settling on a company. To make the process as easy as possible, put together basic information. Have a good idea of what type of coverage you will need. Research insurance including reviews and ratings to make sure you're picking the right company for you.